Hi everyone, it's Neil from PowerSyncPro here, and today I want to demo a new feature which is moving a device from workgroup to Entra Joined or cloud native. So what I'm just going to do is prove to you that this is a local user on this machine, Tom Hanks, and here it's definitely a local account. We've got Outlook running here, the new version of Outlook. Let's just scroll through that. We also have OneDrive loaded up. We have some files on the desktop, and also another little customization I've done. I've just moved the taskbar just to the left-hand side so that you can see what's going on there. Let's have a look at dsreg cmd, and we can have a look at the device joined state as well. So it's not Entra joined and it's not domain joined. So this is definitely a work group machine. So the first thing I want to do, actually let's just show you PSP. Currently within PSP we have no agents registered at all, and if we have a look at the agent progress, I've got 5 machines registered in this environment, so we're all quite clean. So the first thing I want to do back on my PSP box is to install PSP agent. I've just using this command line because I want to make it nice and quick for the purpose of this demo. So there's the pre-shared key which we use to secure the connection, as well as the URL to my PowerSyncPro on-premises server. I'm just going to install that. Now the one nuance with this is because it's not a domain joined machine or an Entra joined machine, we do not know what the SID of the source user is. So I have to supply that to the installation. I'll just click finish and give it the translation file for it to be able to do its magic. So it's just going to restart, and hopefully the migration will start straight away now that we've provided it that translation file. So the reason we have the translation file is to so that we know what the source and target account is. We need to go through the registry. We need to repermission the file system, the profile, as well as the all of the file system, and that's why we need to know the source and target SID, so we can convert that local user to a cloud only user. You'll see on screen here that it's now registered and the machine is busy rebooting behind. We've got a splash screen there to say that asking the user not to do anything, and the migration is well on its way there. I just going to show you the runbook about what we have told the machine to do. For instance, I've got that lock screen which you have seen here, this particular one here. You can obviously customize that in any way you like. I've created a fallback admin account just in case anything goes wrong. In terms of user experience, all of the prompts that the users get on screen, you can completely customize. So I've just left the defaults here, but the migration in progress, the migration complete, and the migration starting, you can do anything you like there, and also have a QR code on screen as well. I've just left all of that, the default. I'm going to remove from all directories. I've left that as is, but I'm joining to Entra ID. And I'm using down here a bulk enrollment token. I'm not going to use a package file because package files tend to have problems, so we've converted to using a bulk enrollment token for all of our migrations. Permission updates, we're obviously changing SIDs here, so we're moving from a source SID to a local SID to an Entra SID, so we do need to go through and repermission the workstation. And I think I've noticed, and also we're not reconfiguring Outlook, Teams, OneDrive or anything like that, because obviously this user's already set up on the target. So I'm just now, you'll notice here that it's no longer a workstation machine. So I do have to sign into the tenant now. Let's put my password in and allow that to log into the tenant. Just coming back to this, in terms of the completion, I've chosen not to uninstall PowerSyncPro. I may want to use it for something else later on. And then when it comes to the batches, Here I've assigned that particular runbook to a batch, and I've specified that all computers should run. We can go and have a look at the telemetry agent progress first of all, actually. So it was 5 before, but now the donut has changed to 1 completed. And let's go and have a look at the agent detail. Agent logs here. And we can go through and see, right, it has completed. And there's lots of different things that have happened in terms of restoring legal text, changing BitLocker protectors if it had those, removing the admin fallback account, and removing some of the personalization as well. So everything that the agent does on the desktop is logged. So fantastic. In a few minutes we're back up and running. Let's have a look at the command prompt again. So you'll notice the desktop is back, the preferences are back. I can't talk and type at the same time. Now let's have a look at this device. It is now Azure AD joined, so that means it's cloud only. What else do we have down here? It also has a PRT, so everything should be okay. We've got OneDrive is still logged in. We've still got our files on the desktop, and hopefully if we go to Outlook, that should be up and running as well. So within a few minutes, I think that's we've got our migration complete message. Within a few minutes, the user is now managed by the tenant because they are cloud only. Thanks for your time.